Tasty Treat Tuesdays with me, Alice Ashe. If you're new to my channel, every Tuesday I make a tasty treat to help you on your health and fitness journey, which is really simple, easy to make, dead quick, and usually it's either vegan, low in sugar, low in cal. So today I'm making you a banana bread. So it's going to be a nice, healthy, low cal banana bread. It's so simple to make, literally takes about 5 minutes in the blender and about 15 minutes to cook in the oven. So without further ado, let's get going. Okay guys, this is super simple. So you need to put all the ingredients in a blender. So you need 2 bananas, break them up, put those in the blender. Then you need 250 ml of almond milk. Then you need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Then you need half a teaspoon of baking powder. You need 1 cup of flour. And then you're also going to need a little bit of salt, a little trickle of vanilla extract, and then a little bit of baking powder. And then the last bit is your cocoa powder. So I chose a dark cocoa powder, and then we're going to mix it all in the blender, and then literally that is it. Then we put it in a tin, and then we're going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. And then wow, honestly, just look what comes out. Nearly forgot, you need your dark chocolate. We're going to chop that up, and then we just want to sprinkle it over the top, and then this is going to be nice and gooey as it comes out. See, look at it there. It is honestly absolutely delicious. This, I would 100% give this a go. Delicious and really low in calorie as well. So there you have it, guys. Really easy, really simple, quick chocolate banana bread. Absolutely gorgeous. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you next time for Tasty Treat Tuesdays.